I cannot see you and Mishti sad like this, buddy. That's why I told Mishti everything. To fulfill Mishti's wish, you are doing all this. Pari's buddy, where could my mom go? I know that she must be crying a lot. She must be scared as well.
Come here.
Molly, you came alone to take Mishti. You should have told me. I would come with you.
Ishan, honestly, I want to do this alone. Mishti and I cannot come to your house. Until and unless I get a new place to stay, Mishti and I will stay in a hotel.
Mom, I'm leaving. I'm getting late.
Eat breakfast and go. We are piping hot flatbreads. Come on.
Buddy,
Yes.
may I say something?
Hurry up.
She's Aunt Molly's mom. Why are you calling her mom? Ever since I've come here, you have been calling her mom.
Hey, want to watch this in your own language subtitle? It's super easy. Just click the CC button. If you're on your phone, tap the CC button above. If you're watching on a TV or laptop, click the CC button below. Choose your language, English, Arabic, French, Spanish, German, and many more. And enjoy the series your way.
Pramila, where's Pari? What is she doing? Is she getting bored?
Not at all, madam. She's in her room. She's checking out old albums.
Oh my god. Old albums. Why did you let her? If she sees Kunal and Molly's photographs, everything will be ruined.
Who could it be?
Pari? Pari?
Grandma. Grandma, who is with Aunt Molly?
It's so old album. It's all dusty. You don't touch it, Pari. It is very dirty. You listen to me. You should go and watch cartoons, okay? It is so dusty-ish. Who is it now? Let's watch cartoon, okay?
Why didn't Grandma let me see the album? Grandma!
Ah! Oh wow, my Mishti is back. What a lovely surprise.
I've come here to take my clothes. Do you know? Finally, Mom and Popsy are getting married. And Grandma Sandhya has organized a function of Lori. And today, wedding date will also be fixed.
How lovely. But Mishti, how did you come here alone?
I'm not alone. Popsy is waiting for me downstairs. I'll quickly go and pack my bags now. Thank you so much, Pari. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mishti, why are you saying thank you to me? What did I do? It's because your buddy united my mom and my Popsy again. And Mom and Popsy are getting married. My buddy is the best. Once he makes a promise, then he surely fulfills it. Mishti, I'm so happy that your wish has come true. By the way, I have to say sorry to you. I behaved very badly with you, right? I'm really sorry, Pari. I was very angry. But Mishti, why were you angry with me? What had I done? On the day of Popsy and Mom's engagement, I came to know that your buddy had left me and my mom alone. I didn't understand, Mishti. Pari, your buddy is also my dad. Your buddy had left me and my mom alone and went away. I was very hurt when I came to know this. If a child's dad leaves them, then the child is bound to get angry. And I came to know that my dad had left me and become someone else's dad. Pari, my mom and your dad had gotten married. But for some reason, he left me and my mom and went away. When I came to know this, I was very angry on your buddy. And I thought that he was very bad. But don't worry. Now you can tell him that now I'm not at all angry with him. He's very nice. And hug your buddy, okay? The way I hug. And say thank you to him. I'll meet him very soon. And today there's a Lohri function at Popsy's house. Okay, I'll pack my bags now. This is for you. You aren't just my friend, but my younger sister. Pari, your buddy is also my dad. Pari, my mom and your dad had gotten married. Pari, your buddy is also my dad. Pari, my mom and your dad had gotten married. But for some reason he left me and my mom and went away.
Pari? Where are you going? Are you getting bored as Mishti left? You want to go down to play? Okay, but take Premila along with you. You are new in the building, so I don't want you to go alone, okay? Premila, go with Pari and don't leave her alone even for a minute.
Okay.
Go, Pari.
Hello.
Please come. Please. Welcome.
Happy Lohri.
Best wishes on the festival of Lohri.
Same to you. Hey Ishan, heartiest congratulations.
Please come.
Aunt!
Oh, Jaswinder.
Aunt!
so you are here.
Yes, of course. Happy Lori aunt. And why wouldn't I come? After all, you had invited me. To tell you the truth, I came to meet Ishan's fiancé. I'm very excited. You know, I couldn't sleep all night long. Really.
Hey, sweetie, how are you?
Hey. May God save this handsome face from evil eyes. Congratulations, brother. By the way, where is your fiancé? Let me see which beautiful face has stolen your heart.
Yes, she's on her way. I've called her here.
She'll come soon.
Oh, just look at him. He's blushing so much.
Sweetie, I think only I use cheesy lines, but you are no less.
Now that I'm here, just wait and watch. By the way, brother, do you have her photo in your wallet? Anyway, forget all that. Aunt, quickly find out where is she? Or else we would be left waiting over here. And ma'am would still be applying makeup.
She'll be here. Don't worry. Ishan has waited for long for a nice girl. You two have some patience.
Okay, fine.
Come, let's eat something.
Yes,
in the
yes, aunt,
meanwhile.
I'm very hungry.
Yeah,
Let's
come.
go.
Hello, sir, how are you?
What do you want from this? Tell me.
I'll go and meet them.
Okay, go.
Mother?
Popsy!
Happy Lori.
Happy Lori, Popsy.
Happy Lori, Molly.
Happy Lodi.
Popsy, look, Mom is looking so pretty today. Just like a fairy, right?
Mother? Happy Lodi.
Congratulations on your first Lori with Ishan.
Happy Lori, Grandma.
Happy Lori. Sweetie. Look, my daughter-in-law is here. And your future sister-in-law.
Excuse me.
Look, Pari, all the children are playing. Go, you also play with them, okay? You please don't go outside. Stay here itself, okay? Hello? Where are you? I've been trying to call you since so long. This is your old habit, alright? Do you know? Did you do the work I asked you to do?
Pari, your buddy is also my dad. Pari, my mom and your dad had gotten married.
The responsibility of our daughter Pari. Molly, please. If anyone can give this child maternal love, then it's you only.
I promised Mishti as Santa that Ishan will be her Popsy. And I have to fulfill Mishti's wish.
Pari, your buddy is also my dad. Pari, my mom and your dad had gotten married.
All right. Pari? Pari! Listen, children. Pari was playing with you, right? Where did she go?
We don't know. We were just playing.
Sweetie, you?
Molly, you are here?
And I am Mishti. My mother's daughter and Popsy's princess.
Do you both know each other?
We know each other very well. We were neighbors for many years.
Yes, mother. Sister Sweetie had really helped me a lot. And today we have met after years.
So much has changed. Aunt, Molly's first in-laws' house was next to my house.
Well, it's good that you both are acquainted already.
Happy Lodi.
Happy Lodi.
Oh my god, that small child from the pram has become so big. Oh my god, she's so cute.
Say hello to Aunt.
Hello, Aunt.
She's just like her father. Right, Molly?
Let's go and start the ritual.
Yes, you carry on. I'll join you later.
Let's go, Molly. Come. Mishti.
Pari, your buddy is also my dad. Pari, my mom and your dad had gotten married. But for some reason, he left me and my mom and went away. Mom, Popsy, you both lighted together.
Aunt, in spite of knowing that Molly is a divorcee, you have...
Ishan loves her a lot. And to tell you the truth, as far as I know, Molly is a very nice girl. She's decent. She's not hidden anything from us. And when the bride and groom are ready, why should we object?
That is true. By the way, Molly is a very good girl. She's very nice, calm, virtuous, and tolerant. But Aunt, you know what? I wonder why God does this to good people. She has endured a lot. But you too are praiseworthy. You didn't care for the world and fixed Your son's wedding with a divorcee. That too, who has a daughter.
Now, we don't care about Molly's previous life. It was all her past. Ishan is her future now.
Molly seemed to have gone into depression. May God protect her smile from all evil eyes. She has put up with a lot, and her own people had betrayed her. I wonder how she endured such a big betrayal.
What do you mean?
She brought her best friend Nandini to her house. But her kindness went against her own interest.
Loving the drama so far? Don't miss the next twist. Hit that subscribe button now for more English-dubbed twists, turns, and unforgettable moments every single week. Real drama, real emotions, all in English.
Aunt, just imagine. She has gone through so much. Kunal and Molly were so happy together. They were very much in love. But that Nandini jinxed their whole relationship.
Molly, please. You are the only one who can give this child a mother's affection.
I promised Mishti as Santa that Ishan is going to be her popsy, and I must fulfill Mishti's wish.
Aunt, Molly was very close to Aunt Radhika and Grandma. You know, they both stood by Molly when Kunal left home and went away. So then, why aren't they around today?
It's because of me. I made Molly accept the condition before agreeing to this marriage that she must sever all ties with Kunal and his family as well.
What?
And Molly accepted that condition for the sake of her love for Ishan. She severed all ties with Kunal and his family.
No, Aunt. That is not possible. I know them very well. I have seen everything. I've seen their love. I don't believe that she can leave them. No, it's not possible.
How could I let her past get in the way of her future with my family? And besides, she wouldn't get a better match than my Ishan. All I want is that nothing from Molly's past should create any problems between these two at all. That's it.
Yes, Aunt. You're absolutely right. I just hope that this time Nandini won't interfere with her in any way.
I have arranged for this wedding. So now it is my responsibility to make sure that Molly's past doesn't affect Ishan's life ever. Both of them look so cute. I'll keep both of them safe from all evil. Molly's past can never ruin Ishan's happiness on my watch ever. Never ever.
Pari, your buddy is my dad too. Pari, my mom and your dad were already married. Aunt Molly! Aunt Molly?
Why are you here? I'm asking you something. Why are you here? Did you come here alone or is someone with you?
Aunt, I've come here on my own. I want to meet Mishti and Aunt Molly.
But why?
Aunt, do you know? Mishti's dad and my dad are same. Aunt Molly and Buddy were married. Mishti told me about all that. I came here to ask, since Buddy is Mishti's dad too, and Aunt Molly and Buddy were together, then why can't Aunt Molly be my mom now? If Aunt Molly was married to Buddy, then what about my mom? Please, Aunt, I want to talk to her. Please, Aunt.
I'll tell you everything. Look, because of your real mom, Aunt Molly and your dad got separated. No matter what Nandini was, may God protect everyone from her and her influence.
Aunt, please don't say that about my mom. My mom was a very nice person. She didn't end anyone's marriage. You don't even know my mom. You are lying. My mom did not do anything.
I knew your mom. I knew your mom, Nandini, and all that she did. Aunt is absolutely right. May God protect us from women like Nandini.
No!
What do you mean by no? I was Molly and Kunal's neighbor. I have seen everything by my own eyes. Aunt Molly gave shelter to your mom. She helped her through bad times. But your mom betrayed her only. Your mom charmed Molly's husband and married him. She wrecked poor Aunt Molly's home. When I think about it, I feel enraged and hatred.
No, my mom was not like that.
Listen, dear, you are very young. But you should know the reality about your mom. That is why I'm telling you.
Pari, you please leave from here. I told you all this so that you could understand how your mother has wronged Aunt Molly, you know. So you must stay away from Aunt Molly. You have to stay away from Mishti too. Leave from here. Wait here. I'll send someone to take you home. Wait here till then. Don't go anywhere.
Now, not everyone can sing so.
Pramila, please get me a cup of tea.
Pramila has gone downstairs with Pari. Today I'm going to make tea for you.
That's great.
Kunal, Mishti had come today. She came here to pick up some stuff. I was at the Khurana residence for a veneration.
Did Molly come too?
No. Ishan had brought her. He has some work. So he completed his work and picked Mishti from downstairs. Today they have a Lori event at their place.
Pari? Pari? Pari?
What happened?
Madam, did Pari come here?
She was with you, right? Why are you asking me that?
Didn't she go with you? So why are you asking us?
Yes, she was with me downstairs, but she's not there now. Huh? I looked everywhere, I swear to God, but I couldn't find her anywhere. I thought that she must have come here.
Let's go find her. Come on.
Pari?
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 Pari? Pari? Pari?
Pari?
Pari, if this is a prank, then it's a time out now. Come out! Oh my God.
Pari? Pari? You check on that side, I'll check here. Pari? Pari?
Mom,
Yes?
did you find her?
No?
Isn't she there? No. Oh God. Where could she go?
Is she found?
No.
She's not at home.
If she's not at home, not downstairs, where could she go? Mom, was everything normal between Mishti and Pari? Did they have a fight?
No, not at all. Both were very calm and peaceful in the room. And Mishti left from here quite happily, in fact. I would have known if something wasn't right.
I'll do one thing. I'll try and speak to Molly about it.
Aunt, I'll go and help Molly out.
Okay, go.
You carry
go.
on. I'll be right back. Oh, wow. Very nice. Molly, you have handled the house at once. Very good. By the way, Molly, I feel so good to see you smile like this. I swear to you. Molly, now we are not only neighbors, but we are relatives. Yeah, we are family members now.
Sister Sweetie, I never thought that I will again. Life will take a U-turn like this, I never thought. And you were so right. Now we are going to be relatives. But honestly, I've left my past behind. Everything that has happened. I have forgotten all of that.
Come on, pick up Molly. She's not picking up.
She must be busy. You try again.
She disconnected the call.
What? It's okay. You try again. What happened?
She disconnected the call.
Molly, time is so powerful. For example, you loved Kunal so much. I have seen your commitment towards him. You were such a beautiful couple. But some people and some things cannot be forgotten. But I have to say one thing. You did a good thing by accepting the second chance given to you. Really. Whereas you were a divorcee. You even have a child. But still, Ishan accepted you. You have found such a nice guy. You are so lucky. Yes, I know that loving someone again like that will be difficult, but what can we girls do other than this? Molly, I know that you loved Kunal passionately, and loving Kunal in the same way will be a bit difficult for you. But Molly, you will try, right?
Sweetie, my decision to marry Ishan it's not a deal or compromise. In fact, it's the biggest happiness of my life. You just said so. That time is very powerful. And I have known Ishan for the last 3 years now. And 3 years are enough to know someone. That how important that person is for you. And when it comes to Kunal, then I'm not connected with him anymore. Ishan is very special to me. And whatever he's done for me and Mishti, I respect him a lot for that. In fact, Ishan is the truth of my future. And I don't want my past to, or anything from my past, to hamper my future in any which ways. Sweetie, I'll take the snacks. Please get the juice.
Yes.
What is this? Mom forgot her phone here.
Molly, please don't disconnect the call, please. I'm in a very big trouble. Is Pari there?
Pari's dad, this is Mishti here.
Mishti? Mishti, when you came home, did you meet Pari, right? Did she tell you anything where she was going and what she was about to do? Did you talk to her?
No, Pari didn't mention to me anything about going somewhere. In fact, I had told her that you are my dad. Uncle, she didn't even know that you and Mom were married once.
Mishti, why did you tell her about this?
Sorry, Uncle, I didn't know that I shouldn't tell this. Is there a problem though?
No, it's no problem. Actually, I wanted to tell her. That's why. Okay, so when you told her, what was her reaction? Did she say something?
No. After that, I just hugged her and left from there. Is Pari not there?
She has gone out to play with someone, I guess, to a friend. Maybe she's with Aunt Mehak. You don't worry. I'll call you later, okay? Bye. Mom, Pari knows the truth.
Mishti told her.
I don't know where Pari is. How is she right now? And what is she feeling right now?
You couldn't even handle a child. I told you to keep an eye on Pari. See, she disappeared. Look at the state we are in. Listen, if anything happens to Pari, then you will regret it, Pramila. I'm telling you.
I had already told you all to tell Pari the truth. I knew if she comes to know this from someone else, then she'll be really hurt. We think that kids don't understand what we say. We take them so lightly. We think that our words will make them sad and it will hurt them. That's why we hide the truth from them in fear. I wish you had listened to me once. Then we wouldn't have to experience this. It's midnight and we don't know where the child is. How is she? Where is she?
Aunt Molly supported your mom. But she charmed Molly's husband and then married him.
I told you all this so that you understand that your mother treated Aunt Molly very badly. And that's why you have to go away from Aunt Molly. You have to stay away from Mishti as well. Leave from here.
Loving the drama so far? Don't miss the next twist. Hit that subscribe button now for more English dubbed twists, turns, and unforgettable moments every single week. Real drama, real emotions, all in English.
Aunt Molly had given shelter to your mom. Your mom charmed Molly's husband and then married him.
You must stay away from Aunt Molly. You have to stay away from Mishti as well.
Sir, have you seen this girl?
Sorry, mister.
Sir, have you seen this girl? She's my daughter. Pari!
A mishap has happened, buddy. It's a very big mishap. I'll be doomed if I don't pay that pawnbroker by tomorrow, okay? Where do we get the money from? What to do?
We could have arranged it somehow if it was a small amount. But how will we arrange 2.5 million overnight?
I'm so worried about the same reason. We can't even sell the boss's vehicle. Oh God, what are we going to do tomorrow?
What will happen? Have you seen his goon? He is a monster.
Our game is over if we fail to pay him. One shouldn't take money from pawnbrokers.
Hold on, please. Hello? Yes? I see. Tomorrow morning. Okay. Ishan, listen. The priest is not coming tonight. He'll be here tomorrow.
Okay, then we'll leave now.
All right. I'll drop you all. Please come.
Aunt, I'll also come.
Okay, come. Please come.
Molly. Finally. Tomorrow the priest will fix our wedding date. What happened?
Ishan, since I've met you, any promise that you've made, you fulfill it. In fact, you've done much more than that. Today, even I want to make a promise to you. Both emotionally or mentally, I have left my past behind. Today, I want to promise you that my past will never come in between us. No matter what date the priest decides. But from today onwards, this life only belongs to you, me and Mishti. From today onwards, we'll start afresh. An auspicious beginning. It's the beginning of our happiness and the end of all sufferings. Really, Ishan. Forever and ever.
I wonder how a Pari must be. Premila, this is your fault. It was so irresponsible of you. It's because of you. I told you to keep an eye on her. Don't leave her alone. Weren't you on the phone? Yeah? Weren't you talking to someone?
Oh dear God, please protect the little girl. I wonder where could she be at this hour of the night?
2.5 million won't just rain down on us if we stand here. Let's arrange for something. We have time till tomorrow morning. We must do something tonight. It's do or die. Come.
You are right.
Hey, who are you? What are you doing here?
Uncle, I got afraid of a dog. So I hid in your car. My name is Pari. I forgot my way home. I want to go to my buddy.
Buddy?
My dad. Will you take me to my buddy, please?
Yes, dear, you don't worry, okay? We'll take you to your dad.
Hey, come aside. Have you gone crazy? We are already in trouble. Now there's another problem. Hi, dear. She forgot her way home. Would you find her home all night or arrange for the money?
An opportunity came by itself, while you are concerned about money. Just calm down.
Just speak clearly, don't speak in riddles. My dear child, you sit over there, okay? We will take you to your dad. Okay? Sit
My
down.
dear, sit
Sit down.
Okay, uncle.
This is it.
The entire night has passed by. But Pari is still missing. How could she be?
I'll call Kunal.
Hello? Yes, Mom?
Any news?
Not yet, Mom. I'm still looking for Pari. I will call you as soon as I get a clue. Alright? I'm driving right now. I'll call you later.
Okay.
Come on, hurry up, man. How long will you take? I'm losing my mind. Be quick. Hi, sir. How are you doing? Hello, hi. So, kids, what are you up to right now, huh? Look, if it is not worth my time, then I will beat you both back in blue, get it? Sir, we won't waste your time at all. Not at all. Just take a look at what we have got for you. Show me. Where is that gem? Tell me. Hey, mister. Just see over here with your own eyes. It's a treasure chest. You've done a very good job. You've just impressed me a lot. Listen, it seems she is from a wealthy family. We'll get a lot of money. Do one thing. You change her look. Understood? Come on, get to work. Go on. Oh, great. These two astral charts match so well like that of a god and a goddess. You will see. It looks like they are just made for each other.
Wow, I knew it already. That Mom and Popsy will make a good pair.
Please set the auspicious date for their wedding. And it would be better if you could give dates as early. If I could, then I'd marry her to my son right away. I've waited for too long. But not anymore.
I have called all of Pari's friends, but they have no information. It is morning now and she is still missing. I'm feeling very restless, Mother.
There's only one place we haven't checked yet. Should we ask Molly? She might have gone to her.
Mother, if Pari was with Molly, then she would have informed us already.
Radhika, it's possible that she forgot to inform. Or there could be some other reason. Talk to her at least once.
Sandhya, God has answered all your prayers. In the next 7 days on the full moon eve is an auspicious day for marriage. If you want to.
Fix the date. My son will marry her on that very day.
Oh wow, this calls for sweets surely. Yeah. Here, give it to Molly too.
Thank you.
I'm so happy. Finally, Mom and Popsy are getting married.
Congratulations, Molly Ishan Khanna.
No. Congratulations, Ishan Molly Srivastav.
Something seems fishy here. I need to talk to Buddy as soon as possible. I have to tell him that I am in danger. Uncle, I want to go to washroom.
Hey, sit in the car quietly. We are looking for your dad, dear.
Please, I cannot control.
Let her go. She's an innocent child, okay? She will pester us all along the route, okay? Let her go.
Hey, you can go. But listen, don't act too smart. Come back fast, go.
Hey, wait. Why do we let her go alone? What if she runs? Hey, what are you saying? Take a look around. There is no one here. Where will this innocent girl go to run? We will catch her in no time, okay? My dear, we should go, but go someplace very near, okay? This jungle is very dangerous. There are tigers and all who can eat a human, okay? Get it? That's why go soon and come back very, very soon, okay? Yeah? You go and come back quickly.
Please, uncle, give me your phone.
What is it, dear? Why do you want a phone?
I want to call my buddy.
Buddy?
My dad. Please give me the phone, it's urgent.
Okay, 1 minute. Here.
Buddy, answer my call. Why don't you answer my call?
Why isn't this girl back yet? Huh? Should I go and check? Hurry up and go quick.
Molly, what are you thinking about? Don't disconnect. Answer the call, it might be urgent.
Yes, mother, tell me.
Molly dear, are you busy? I just called to ask you something. That's why I called. Is Pari at Ishan's house to meet Mishti?
No, mother, why will Pari come to me? What happened, mother? Is everything alright? Tell me. What happened, mother? Please tell me. Mother, you seem tense. What happened? Please tell me. What is it?
Pari went down to play, and after that, she hasn't returned home. Even Kunal is searching for her everywhere. I don't understand anything. We thought that she may have come to Ishan's place to meet Mishti. Are you sure she's not there?
Yes, Mother, I'm very sure that Pari is not here.
How did Pari go alone? I had sent Sham along.
And if I get to know anything, I'll call you back.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay. Ishan, I'm really worried now. Mother is saying that Pari went to play in the evening and she did not come back.
This celebration has not even started. And you both are sitting in the corners. Come on.
Where is Pari? With whom could she be?
What are you doing here, kid? What were you doing here? I'll take you to your dad. Will you eat some chocolate? Hey, give us some chocolate. Let's go. Come on, dear. Come, dear.
Loving the drama so far? Don't miss the next twist. Hit that subscribe button now for more English dubbed twists, turns, and unforgettable moments every single week. Real drama, real emotions, all in English.
Mother, I didn't see Mishti anywhere. I've searched everywhere. Have you seen her?
Yeah. Even I didn't see her since very long.
She was here just a while ago.
Dear God, I don't know where Pari is. Why hasn't she reached home? Pari must be scared. And Pari's dad must be so worried as well. Please, God, help Pari's dad find her somehow. And please keep Pari safe.
How come you're here? You should have been at school right now. You came to my restaurant. What if something would have happened? You shouldn't have done that.
When I had run away from the house, my Popsy was so stressed. Similarly, Pari's dad must be extremely stressed too.
Where are you, Pari?
Please help Pari's dad find Pari. You please have this, God. This is my favorite bracelet. In return, please help Pari's dad in finding Pari. and I won't eat chocolate for a week. Please, God, please find Pari.
Missed call? This is an unknown number. Hello? Hey, did you call a few minutes ago?
Not me, sir. There was a little sweet girl. She was asking me that she wants to talk to her father. Perhaps she called?
Yeah, she's my daughter. Please give her the phone.
She left with someone in the truck earlier.
What? With whom?
I don't know. But she didn't seem to gel with them at all. I didn't like those people at all.
You should have called the police if they were not looking alright. You should have gotten them arrested. What kind of person are you?
Why are you shouting at me? I run a small shop. I'm not a spy. You asked me, that's why I'm telling you. Otherwise, I don't even care. Hundreds of people visit my shop in one day.
Okay, I'm really very sorry. Where is your shop?
It's on the Thane highway, a little after the checkpoint.
They can't have gone too far.
After seeing my missed call, Buddy must have called back. I'm sure right now he must be looking for this car and me. I will hang my shoes outside. Buddy will find out that I am in this truck.
Why hasn't Kunal given any news about Pari still?
Radhika, I am really very scared. You do one thing, light an oil lamp in the temple. I'll chant for a bit.
Hey, these are Pari's shoes. Pari's shoes are in that truck.
There was a sweet little girl. She left with someone in a truck earlier. I didn't like those people.
Hey! Stop! Stop the truck! My daughter's in the truck! Stop it! Pari! Pari!
Hey sir, who is this? Who is following us? Hey sir, the girl has hung her shoes outside the truck. That is why he's following us.
Hey! Stop the truck!
Drive faster!
The girl should not get away from us. Let's go. Come on.
Hey, stop the car! Stop the car! Where's my daughter?
Buddy!
My dear. Are you alright? Are you okay?
Buddy, I was sure that you will come to save me.
Buddy, run! Run, buddy! Buddy, run! Run,
Hey,
buddy!
quiet.
Run, buddy!
Buddy!
Come on, run, run. Get out of here. Come on, let's go.
Buddy!
Oh dear God, what does this sign mean? Please keep my children safe. Keep them under your grace, God, please. Great, the date has been fixed. I am very happy, really.
And you are promoted now. You'll be getting a new daughter-in-law.
Look, both of you should spend some time together. Go for a long drive. You must celebrate this moment together.
Mom, it's okay. We'll go later.
Oh dear. Look at Ishan. His eyes are not agreeing with his own words. Right? You should definitely go. Take her out somewhere. Go on. Besides, you have the right to do so.
This is your moment as well. Celebrate it really well. Come on, go. Take him along with you.
No, mother. Ishan is right.
You are already refusing your mother-in-law? Come on, go.
Ishan, let's go.
Okay then. If you all are forcing so much, then let's go.
Oh dear. Molly's phone rings all the time.
Molly, the call's from an unknown number. It could be a medical emergency, or it might be about Pari. Answer the phone.
Hello? Yes, tell me, it's Molly here. What?
What happened, Molly?
Oh, what
Molly?
happened?
Kunal?
Hello?
What happened?
Who is it?
Inspector, all this? My son left to find his daughter. This must be some misunderstanding. All this?
Look, listen, ma'am. Whatever we got to know from the locals, we are looking for him. Please, okay? Look, Kunal got shot. He was standing up there. He fell from there. We are trying our best to find him, but the creek is very deep and it's wide too. Our divers and information team are searching for him. We'll let you know as soon as we find out something. You be strong, ma'am. Until the body is found.
Hey! Kunal is my son. He's not a body. Don't call him a body. Kunal is alive. He will come. Search for him properly.
Sure, ma'am.
Kunal!
Mother? What happened, Mother?
Molly,
Kunal?
the inspector is saying that Kunal got shot, and the locals are saying Kunal fell into the creek because of it.